Importance of digital connectivity and digital health such as teleconsultation and telemedicine has increased even further in the post-COVID era. India has disparate and fragmented ecosystem in health tech sector with thousands of players having different solutions which are not interoperable. This has created a problem of operability standards, and the data, the rich data which is getting generated cannot be used for research and development or for better provision of health care. Therefore, the National Digital Health Mission, that is NDHM, was envisaged, which aims to create an interoperable platform to connect all these fragmented, disparate thousands of digital health solutions to unify them together into what we are calling a national digital health ecosystem. However, the data will not be centralized, the health data will remain to be stored where it is right now, and it will be only an interoperable backbone which will be created. This will have numerous benefits. Patients, for example, will be able to search for the doctors, hospitals or other healthcare providers based on the parameters of their choice, get connected to such healthcare providers and get the appropriate treatment. Also, patients will be able to store all the medical records, providing them a longitudinal medical history in their mobile phone. On the other hand, doctors, hospitals and other healthcare providers will be able to offer their services on the IT platform and access the complete records of the concerned patient, however, with the explicit consent of that particular person. Policy makers, researchers will have access to a larger set of aggregated and anonymized data, which should help the government and researchers to arrive at appropriate solutions and make appropriate interventions, thus improving the public health scenario in the country. Health tech companies will also have a rich opportunity to come out with innovative and low cost solutions which will help develop this ecosystem even further. I feel that the National Digital Health Mission is going to revolutionize the area of health tech in India, and India is uniquely placed in all the countries due to its jam trinity to make this mission a grand success.